Extending the life of your epoxy floor requires consistent care and simple maintenance practices. In this video, we will be discussing the frequently asked questions on how to extend the life of your epoxy floor. How often should I clean my epoxy floor? It's recommended to clean your epoxy floor weekly or as needed to remove dirt and debris. Regular cleaning helps maintain its shine and prevent scratches. Can heavy furniture damage an epoxy floor? Yes, heavy furniture can cause stress on the epoxy surface. Use furniture pads or mats to protect the floor from damage due to heavy loads. How do I prevent discoloration of my epoxy floor? To prevent discoloration, minimize direct sunlight exposure by using UV-resistant coatings or covering windows with curtains or blinds. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drops. For more questions on how to extend the life of your epoxy floor, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.